Hello guys! We are now leaving Toyoko in Cebu and going to Elizabeth Mall. We are going to meet Jeanette's thoughts parents because relatives. So we are on our way and I have a very heavy backpack for me.
Providing accommodation that is free. Canals run by Okami. But over 95% of our
Siguro eh.
residents are women.
Bisig na service karon. 6 sa kanita karon? 6 data karon. Our grab is on the way. Hello, pagod. Ha? Oops. Ambot lang? Bulok ko bulo. Murag naman ata. Hindi ko sigurado. Ikaw? Ikaw? Island souvenirs. Wow. Hey guys, good afternoon. We are on our way to our plane back to Davao City. But sad to say, we have to go home na and probably set another schedule for our travel. As of now, uwi na ta. Uwi na. So guys, thank you so much. These creatures are now unlocked all over the place.
E-cigarette and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices. Ladies and gentlemen, we are experiencing turbulence and cabin switch on the fasten seatbelt sign. For our own safety, please remain seated. Welcome to Davao. Ingat po kayo.
Unsa? Grab. Sige, go. Hello. are back at Davao City. It's been a week since our travel. Nakabalik kami sa among syudad sa Davao.